I had a few errands to run today, but this video is about a tiny 2-inch skull that I carved. Yeah, show the carve and a little bit of the errands for vibe. Here's the skull I carved to make a mold, silicone, and that way we can make some pendants. Okay, but we took a little outdoor footage today. Okay, here's some of the footage from our errands.
Will generate, but first, where they teach everybody in the game, I want the others to understand.
Doing a few errands.
No vehicles.
Let's go. Oh, my seatbelt. I spray painted the skull I carved for a pendant mold test, but we did record a little bit of the footage, so check it out. Oh, by the way, the Country Bed Shop sent me this awesome t-shirt. So yeah, the skull was carved out with the Dremel, as you saw, and well, I hit it with this pink spray paint to seal the wood and just so that it's not porous, and then that silicone, it wouldn't stick. And then I went ahead and hit it with some polyurethane for some extra coverage. I went back and Dremeled into the nostrils just to have deeper, you know, the nostrils deeper. So while on Hangouts, hanging out with Chip Builds, Steve Nealon, I think Patrick's Workshop, I don't know who else was there. If I miss someone, you know, it's probably Hobbies Wood Shop. Sterling Davis was there. Yeah, I poured the mold, mixed it, and it's this stuff here from Illumilite. I'll leave a link in the description so you can see what it is. Let me show you how it came out. So this is how the negative came out, and it's really cool. It cured overnight, and we're gonna test this out. So that came from this. By the way, I carved this on poplar, and it seemed to be forgiving power carving into it. But yeah, we're gonna test this out. I overdid the amount of material and I was left with extra material, so I did this, which was a pendant that I dipped into a secondary mold, and now I have a mold for a pendant. But you can see how thick it is. So all this is so that I can make pendants using resin, and I'm using this resin here. And this is Amazing Clear Cast. I'll leave a link so you can check it out. By the way, just for the record, this was a messy experience. I wore gloves and that silicone just sticks. It's messy, but the results were pretty good. So we'll see how this does. Alright, that's it for this video. I'm gonna either do it live, you know, pouring and testing the mold out, the skull mold, or we'll do a secondary follow-up video I'm editing right now. And yeah, so subscribe if you're interested in following, and check out the links below. I'll catch you next time. Also check out the videos that'll pop up on either side here.